Tired of being outranked by your competitors in Google search results? Are you struggling to generate real organic traffic and sales? Are you ready to elevate your online presence? Look no further than Infoshore, a digital marketing agency with over 16 years of experience dominating the industry. Our team of 200 plus professionals includes 100 plus Google SEO certified consultants who have worked with big brands all across industries, consistently ranking them in top of the Google search results. Don't just take our word for it. Infoshore's success story has been covered by your story and make it easier, proving that we are the real deal. Now the question arises, how we do that? We eat, sleep and breathe SEO. We perform a comprehensive analysis of on-page factors, competitors, targeted keywords and various other variables before starting the link building campaign. We take an aggressive approach to ensure that our client website rises to the top of Google search results in the safest manner. And we offer round-the-clock fanatical support. Your website deserves to be in the limelight and we have the expertise to make it happen. So trust Infoshore to help you to achieve top Google ranking and flood of traffic, period. My name is Namo and I am the SEO director at Infoshore. Let's team up and do wonders.